Okay, if we look at the figures from Saba, we see that the import figures, the import value was $22 million. And that's an increase in 2021 of 6% compared to 2020. The exports, on the other hand, they nearly reached $1 million of value. And this is, let me see, this is an increase also of 64% compared to the year before. The international trade figures, it's once a year that we publish an extensive report on what has happened compared to the year before. So this year we analyzed figures of 2021, and the beginning of next year we will be treating the figures of 2022. We do have our StatLine online database, and there everyone can download and find information about not only the trade figures but many other figures that we analyze, and we update these tables on the international trade once every few months, and once a year we publish an extensive report about it.